So in this quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can rescale an object over the sculpting workspace on your Blender. So just simply open the Blender on whatever device that you have been using. For example, this is a basic 3D model on which I have been working. Now first let me switch to the sculpting window. When I switch over there, here on the left window you'll find a lot of options, or you can say the brushes types. Here you need to scroll down until the last. You're gonna find the option of scaling. You're gonna see it looks something like this, which says scale. When you click over there, now you can see you can make changes to the scale of any axis. Either you can make it larger over y-axis or z-axis or x-axis, or you can just simply select the circular to resize the whole object. You can see currently it's resizing as a whole. So by this method you can easily rescale an object over the sculpting window. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials all in your way. See you in the next one. Take care.